In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the SIM pin on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So all you have to do is go to settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select privacy and security, tap on it. And then from here, all you have to do is tap on security, and then scroll down and select additional settings, tap on that. And then scroll down again to the bottom and select more security settings. And then if you have a dual SIM, choose the SIM card that you'd like to enable and disable the SIM pin for. So tap on any SIM card, and then you should see this option, lock SIM. So all you have to do is tap on it, and then type in your SIM pin, and then tap on OK, and that will disable the SIM pin. If you want to enable it back, simply tap on this toggle switch icon, and then type in your SIM pin. And then once you type in your pin, tap on OK, and that will enable the SIM pin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.